Hello crafty friends, Jenny Lynn here with another card making quick tip. So whenever you're making a card and you're using die cuts, always die cut way more than you need. The best part is you can take your leftover dies and you can attach them to a piece of cardstock with some low tack tape like this mint tape. I especially love this because delicate images and dainty fonts can be saved and kept nice and neat, including the little dots above your I's and your J's for a future card. You simply place the die cut on the tape and put it on the card, and then you just stick it right in the pouch that you're going to hold your dies in. So this is a great way to stay organized and have some extra things ready to go the next time you want to create handmade joy for everyday moments. Hello crafty friends, thanks for making it to the end with me. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. So until I see you in the next video, have a great day, and as always, happy crafting.